Tusalie hapa kaunti namba 47 ambapo wenye viti wa Muungano wa Mataifa ya Afrika Mashariki na Kusini wanakutana katika ikulu ya Nairobi kujadili mikakati ya kuleta amani katika nchi ya DRC. DRC imekuwa ikikabiliana na waasi wa M23 kwenye vita ambavyo vimesababisha vifo vya maelfu ya watu. Tusikilize yanayojiri.
This time around, peace could be reached among all stakeholders. The African Union Commission salutes the Washington Agreement signed between Rwanda and DRC and the Declaration of Principles signed between M23 and the government of DRC in Doha. However, the African Union underlines the centrality of its mediation role in all the crises of our continent. Now, it is paramount to capitalize on any breakthrough or progress that can bring peace and stability to our member countries. However, there is a need for better coordination and more coherence if we are to succeed in the implementation process of those agreements. Besides, the Commission urges all stakeholders to tackle the root causes of the problem in a holistic manner. Agreements can be meaningful and can be game changers if and only if they are implemented on the ground. It takes courage and wisdom to seek compromise when tough decisions are needed, and I'm convinced that our leaders in the region can make it happen. The African Union Commission and the Peace and Security Council and the African Union mediator are fully committed to accompany the process. I would like to seize this opportunity to express the African Union Commission appreciation for our leaders in this region for their tireless efforts for the sake of peace in Eastern DRC. I also welcome our former presidents, members of the Committee of Facilitators, whose wisdom and experience will be of great help during the next stages of the peace process in Eastern DRC. Excellences, Mesdames et Messieurs, la paix à l'est de la République démocratique du Congo semble aujourd'hui plus que jamais à portée de main. Les derniers accords signés nous remplissent d'espoir, mais en même temps, nous restons prudemment optimistes. Et nous savons que le chemin vers la stabilisation définitive de cette région est encore long. Il faudra surtout appuyer économiquement cette région afin de lui permettre